Guys, Estima, look. 1, 2, 3 buttons. This button, seats going like that. That one regulate leg rest. Then this one you can push like that to open that table there. Guys, Toyota Estima, look, 2 Capitan seats, so you can, where you can sit like that? Where in what Jeep you can't sit like that? Look here, if you need this table here, put leg rests here, rails, put this back here. Look, 3 buttons, yeah. This one to roll back and forward, yeah. This one you put sideways. You can put leg rests feet up. Table here. 7-seater. You can remove those 2 completely. You can put those ones in the floor, so it will be flat. 2 meters 20 centimeters, so you can put sofa here if you need. Some of the guys doing like even camper ones, so you can remove all seats and leave only 2 seats here, make like a bed, or you can like 7-seater, grab some kids, whatever, plenty of space. Look, even the back seats are very comfortable. You can regulate this one back forward. You can remove 1 seat in the floor, you can use only 2. It's like a constructor. Same here, regulate everything, plenty of space, leg rests, everything. Brilliant car. So if you want to meet your friends from airport, you can fold those seats flat to the floor, and then those ones you can put back, and then here you go. Amazing, dam ba dam.